Finding cheap flights requires a mix of strategy, flexibility, and the right tools. Here are some tips to help you save money on airfare. 1. Use flight search engines. Start with these websites that compare prices across airlines. Google Flights, great for comparing dates and tracking prices. Skyscanner, searches, budget airlines and flexible dates. Kayak, offers price alerts and hidden deals. Momondo, finds cheap fares by analyzing multiple sources. Be flexible with dates and destinations. Flying midweek, Tuesday and Wednesday, is often cheaper. Traveling in the off-season, not during holidays or peak tourist times, saves money. Use Google Flights' Explore feature to find the cheapest destinations. 3. Set price alerts. Use Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak to get notifications when prices drop. 4. Book at the right time. Best time to book: 1 to 3 months before domestic flights, 3 to 6 months before international flights. Avoid booking too early or last minute, unless it's a rare flash sale. 5. Consider budget airlines. Check airlines like Ryanair, Spirit, Frontier, EasyJet, and AirAsia. Be aware of extra fees, baggage, seat selection, etc. 6. Use incognito mode or VPN. Airlines track your searches. Try searching in private, incognito mode, or use a VPN to check prices from different locations. 7. Use points and rewards. Sign up for airline loyalty programs and credit cards with travel rewards. Redeem miles and points for discounts or free flights. 8. Consider alternative routes and airports. Flying into a nearby airport and taking a train/bus can be cheaper. Check for layovers that reduce the fare significantly. Would you like help finding a specific flight? Leave your comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.